Okay, it's Monday. It's a new week. What have we gone? 24 days without rain. Let's see what kind of trouble I can get into this week. Okay, let's keep the predators off my back. I am moving the tractor and the bush hog back to the farm now so I can give it a bath and get it ready to go to school tomorrow. But first, I have a 2-acre lot here to bush hog before I wash any tractor. And now I will wash a tractor. The tractor is washed. The truck is washed. And I have blown the corn head off, so I will back that in the barn now. And what is that falling on me and the tractor? Well, it's a few raindrops, but just like 2 days ago, it's not going to amount to anything. We had a few raindrops on Saturday, but it was nothing measurable in age. And it's going to be the same thing today, and by the middle of the week, we're supposed to be up to 90 degrees up there. It's still no rain. I think that I will cut the grass now. It's been a while. It has been dry. I don't think you've heard me say that yet. So I think I'll cut the grass. Okay, it is time to go to school. But first, coffee. Day 25 without rain. And counting. Hey, I made it to school on time. So I think if we have time, what I will show the kids today, well, we're going to take them for a hayride. Only in a Catholic school do you take the kids for a hayride through the cemetery. But that's the game plan. Take them for a hayride around the property here through the cemetery. But as I was saying, if I have time, I think what I'll show the kids is the auto steer feature on the tractor. So they have a racetrack here. It's a straight line going down. So I've just got it programmed to follow that straight line. So I'll try to impress them with my straight lines.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll get back on.
of the things that I'm going to show you all when we
Listen.
is how we use technology in agriculture today. So, as somebody said earlier, this is the Tesla of tractors. So this tractor will drive itself, and I'm going to show you how it's going to do that. The racetrack here is a straight line going down towards the school. I'm going to get in the tractor, and I'm going to turn the computer on, and I'm going to tell it, follow that straight line towards the school. I will take my hands off of the steering wheel, and you'll see it search for that line and follow that line down towards the school. You'll be able to see me inside the tractor without my hands. So here we go.
He's the one holding on.
I don't know if you can see the steering wheel moving itself, but it's searching for the straight line. So it's searching for that straight line. I'm not stealing. It's just about locked on the line. So if you can, those of you in the front can see, we are now following the straight line of the racetrack down towards the school. It has now found the line, and it will follow the line as long as I let it. So we can end up in the kitchen for lunch early if you like. So it will continue this until I turn off the computer, or stop the tractor, or take control of the steering wheel, which I'm going to do now. So now I have control. So what do you think that auto steer is for? Why would we want the tractor to drive itself? Yeah. Why do I want it to go in a straight line? No, the number one reason is so I can text and watch YouTube videos and read the news while I'm driving the tractor. That's the number one. Huh? It's his problem, not mine.
But how does it know out in the field that it's like here you had a line to follow?
Yeah, so
How do you know in a
I
huge empty field?
program it. Each field I have programmed in the tractor already. This field, this is the straight line I want you to take. And so depending on what I'm pulling, so if I'm pulling a planter that's 15 feet wide, when I get to the end and turn around, it knows where the next track is at 15 feet and takes me down that line. I get to the end. If I'm pulling something that's 45 feet wide, then it knows to move over 45 feet and drive down. And so one of the advantages to it is, so once we plant our crops, the corn or the soybeans or the wheat, in the straight line, when we come back a couple of weeks later to spray, we then tell it, okay, here's the straight line, and it will follow that line again without running over the crops while you're spraying. And when you come back to harvest it on the combine, it can do the same thing. The combine will follow that straight line to harvest it as well. It's state, within the it's really neat technology. We've been using it. Farmers have been using this, long before the auto industry even got started. So it's just advancing even further. I think by the time some of you all get your license, especially the smaller ones, you probably won't even need a license because the cars are going to drive themselves. You'll just have to have enough money to buy that car that will drive itself. So the next question is, anybody know what this is that you're sitting on? Straw. It is straw. It is not hay. So this is straw. The difference between straw and hay, number one, is the color. Straw is normally this brownish yellow color. Hay is normally a green color. The green stuff the animals eat. The brown stuff the animals eat. That's an easy way to remember it. Another way to remember it is this actually looks like straw. So if you take one of the little pieces off, it's actually hollow inside. And so you can use it like a straw. So this is wheat straw, and if you look real close on the floor, you might find a grain or two of wheat that came out of this. But Tom had the combine adjusted pretty well on this, which is good because there's very little wheat. I see one kernel here in the center, on the center board, one wheat kernel there.
My hand is a grain of wheat.
So that is the grain that we actually want from this. So once this has turned brown in the field, we go through with a combine and we harvest it. And we actually just want the grain itself, that wheat. And that wheat is going to the flour mills to make the flour to make bread and cookies and cakes and things like that. Any questions? The more questions you ask, the less you have to be in school. All right, I guess I can let you all out of jail. Before we get started, number one, you're on the GoPro camera up there in the center. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, what is it?
Farmer MD.
Okay, I'm going to subscribe when I get home.
Okay, thank you. I would appreciate that. So what I'm going to show you is how we use technology on the farm now. So I'll put that on my resume.
How many subscribers do you have?
How many what?
Subscribers do you have?
8,000, over 8,000.
What?
I know, that's not many. So if you all go home and subscribe, it will get me to 9,000 subscribers.
Shout me out.
So does anybody know what this is? Thank you. It's straw. So the difference between Smile, you're on GoPro. Jump on.
I go to a farm and they do like this pumpkin thing.
Hey, how are you? Smile, you're on GoPro.
Are you putting this on your YouTube channel?
Yes! Do you know what my YouTube channel is? Farmer MD. Farmer MD.
All right, we got to go look for Farmer MD. We got to take the farm queen. If that's
Okay, yep.
Oh, that's my sister.
Is it?
Hey, your sister?
Yeah, come on, hurry.
The farm queen.
Your sister's a pumpkin? Yeah.
What is that? from the country area. Okay.
How are you, Becky?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful.
They should have birds.
Oh, nice.
Hey, Sarah, thanks.
Sarah, can I sit beside you?
Why would she want to sit beside you when she can do that at home all the time at the dinner table?
Yeah, but not when she's the farm queen. That's different.
Sarah.
All right, you got a special place of honor. Thank you, Donnie. Anybody want to sit with the
Smile.
farm queen?
You're on YouTube.
All right. Everybody got a photo.
Okay, I am locking y'all up. You're in jail now.
You want to get one, please?
I have a YouTube channel.
All right.
Okay, before I get started,
Let me tell you a little bit about how we use technology in farming other than a GoPro camera and YouTube. So, as somebody said earlier, I have the Tesla of tractors here. So you've heard of Tesla and their self-driving cars that you just get in and the car is going to drive itself. This tractor is similar to that in that it is going to drive itself, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So you see the lines here for the racetrack, these straight lines. When I get in the tractor and start, I'm going to engage the computer. I'm going to turn the computer on and tell it, hey, I want you to drive a straight line down towards the school. I will take my hands off of the steering wheel so you can see that. You'll be able to see me inside the tractor. Where I will not be steering, the tractor will be the one steering.
and so once we do that, we're going to go around back to the graveyard and come back here, and I'll talk a little bit more. So buckle up, but you don't have seat belts, so just hold on tight. It could be a roller coaster ride. We may throw a few kids out of here, but that's okay. We'll pick you up on the way back. Doesn't that sound like fun? Yeah? Okay. And that's Farm to School Week at St. Michael's School. I went here for 8 years, grades 1 through 8. I think that is all the kids coming out. I think we have all classes covered now. So back to the farm I go. Hey, look at this. I get top billing on the sign today. That's me. Yes, and the farm queen is here as well. She should have got top billing because she's better looking than I am. But anyhow, I got top billing. So we're done here with the Farm to School Week at St. Michael's School in Ridge. All right. See ya. See ya.